So I'm getting ready to go in and sit down, waiting on my table to be called at COWFISH out here at Citywalk. And they have great burgers, they have great sushi, and I'm gonna go in there and try a little bit of everything. Maybe the jalapeno pepper showstopper burger, that one's kind of calling my name. So I might go with that and then try some different sushi, maybe some yellowtail, maybe the cheeseburger ushi, which just seems interesting. We're gonna try a few things, and I'll show you guys what I get, tell you how it tastes, what I think of the place, and go along for another little food adventure here. So stick with me, I got you, let's go do this. Okay, for a little appetizer, we got the tuna nachos. That is seared yellowtail tuna. We got some crab rangoon dip on there. We got some avocado on there. A little bit of everything, if you guys can see that. Just gonna grab one and just take a big bite. Good Lord, they're big pieces. I lost you there. It's very good. Very good. Tuna is super fresh, super fresh. The avocado, everything is really good, crisp. Comes together with the crab rangoon sauce. Very good apple. Well, we're trying a lot of food for you guys. Wow. So this is the jalapeno pepper showstopper burger. I got the Mark's roll, which is spicy tuna roll, and it's flash fried. It's got spicy Japanese mayo and cream cheese. And over here we have the cheeseburger ushi, which is like a cheeseburger sushi. And then finally the high-class hillbilly, which is a barbecue sushi. We're in a wee bit of trouble here. We might have ordered too much stuff to try, but I'm gonna give it my best shot. First, I'm just gonna take a big bite of this burger. There's so much to eat in here. There's so much to get to. It's ridiculous. So, you see that? It's spicy, but it's good. A lot of flavor. The meat is perfect. Now we have almost no time to delay here because there's a mountain of food. So I'm not even bothering with the chopsticks. I'm going right in for the Mark's roll. Take a big bite of that. That's good. It has some kick to it. If you like spicy, it definitely is spicy. It has cream cheese and jalapeno to go along with the spicy mayo on top. The cheeseburger ushi is basically just a cheeseburger repackaged as sushi. But it's cooked. It's fully cooked. It tastes like a good cheeseburger. It's crispy on the outside. It just has the rice in there to help roll it up like sushi. It's got pickles. It's so good. It's got pickles and ketchup and mustard. It's just like a cheeseburger. It's like if you've had a cheeseburger pizza, it's along those lines, but it's sushi. It's really good. One more thing is this is the barbecue. This is the high rolling hillbilly over here. Barbecue pulled pork, barbecue sauce, scallions, onions. Let's give it a try. This is a lot of food. same thing. It's just like a different way to eat barbecue. It's got potato in there, kind of holding it all together with the pork and the barbecue sauce. And I mean, it's really good. They're just a new take. Those two things are kind of like a new fusion take, just a different way to eat a cheeseburger or to eat a barbecue sandwich. But everything is really good. There's a whole lot of food, so I'm gonna get to eating, and we'll see if I survive this. So the important thing is to admit when you've been defeated. And I'm throwing in the towel. I ate way more than I should have. I'm gonna be miserable going back. But it was worth it. It was really good. If you love spicy stuff, the burger is top notch. The meat is perfect. The Mark's roll, really spicy, but really good. Really, really good. But I am done, and I will see you guys after I go sleep off this food coma. Bye-bye. Green, you know. I want to take a picture of that pencil. They don't mess around. I already got a text from Cowfish asking how everything was. Oh, that's cool.
Every place we've eaten has done that.
Okay, this may be the single greatest artistic achievement in mankind. This is literally fat sumo Elvis eating what I can only imagine to be a burger with 422 fried banana and peanut butter on it. And if they would sell this to me, I would totally buy this thing. I'm trying to get it where you guys can see it. I would totally buy this. I mean, there it is in all its glory. I mean, that's the king, baby.
Between.
The cowfish.